Hey guys, it's the big guy and Sheba again. Here she comes right about now. Well, it's Friday. We about to get a little taste.
All right, this is a special cocktail that we make.
Hold that so you don't cut your fingers.
Oh, that's fine.
It's
that we
slippery.
make for ourselves or for a party. You get your lemon, you cut it.
Long work week.
So y'all can see.
We're about to get a little drink on, a little swervy swerve.
And teaching in the process. You can get a big picture and fill it up. Okay, show the products, please, sir.
Some of that Long Island. Me and my homies call this some dude. And we got that simply lemonade.
Okay. So we're just going to do like a little small portion for just tonight, Friday night. But you can also get a big picture and do the same thing. You know, the measurements will be different, but it's basically the same.
Don't mind my t-shirt, guys. I know it's a little half. It's a little droopy dog. Don't mind that.
We're just in the house tonight. It's
Don't mind that droopy dog. Don't mind that collar.
So we'll take 3 lemons. Put them in however many you want. You can squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in there for some extra kick. Okay, get your lemons together, sir.
Do I have to? I'm gonna take a little too.
You want to squeeze a little?
Nah.
Yeah.
I like mine out of a glass. I ain't fancy.
No, wait. First, we gotta do this. Because this determines how strong you want it to be. So when the people try to make this themselves, they know how to do it.
They know how. There's a lot of alcoholics in this world.
Babe, this is for learning and showing and growing. We gotta teach.
Teach the world how to get drunk.
All right. And then not drunk, tipsy. We want to feel nice and right. You know, we don't do drunk over here.
I guess.
We do responsible. You make it as strong as you want to make it. It's Friday night. And do a little stir. And hand me some, please, sir.
Want me to pour it out for you,
No,
or you
thank
want to
you.
pour it?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Can't trust them. Why try to get
You can. Don't
give
do
me
that.
Give me 2 rocks. Little stir. Little stir. Skis. Okay, ready? Cheers to the weekend.
Some of that dude. About to watch. I don't know, but a little sipping, a little tipping, and a little sipping, and a little TV watching, and I don't know what's gonna happen after that. But you got anything to say?
No.
I don't got anything else to say either.
Done showing and growing.
Later. It's Sheba and the big guy. Sheba and the big guy.
Sheba and the big guy.
Sheba and the big guy.
Good night, everyone. Cheers.
Now she's out and I'm back. Hey guys.
No, it's a wrap. Good night.